apply the water onto the window. I've said in another video that we use quadruple grade steel wool. And I also buy this in bulk at window/cleaning/supply.com or ABC Window Cleaning. So each comes with 16 pads. As you can see, this is quadruple grade steel wool. It's super, super fine. So that way when you go to scrub a window, it's not scratching it. You need to remember to change these every single day. One pad only lasts you about a day unless you're really, really busy. You have a really big day, you might need 2 pads. They do rust. And so you want to be sure, again, that you don't use an old pad that you used the day before on a new house. And then always, always remember, never use steel wool on a tinted window. So tinted glass, if you go and you take steel wool to a tinted glass, it will scratch the heck out of the glass and the customer will not be happy. There was one time I actually had a customer yelling and freaking out because they were about to sell their home, and I went to go clean their windows, and I was a little bit unexperienced, and I took steel wool and I thought I was doing a good job on this one window, scrubbing it, and getting all the stuff off the window, and it scratched it pretty good. Luckily, I was able to correct my mistake, and they ended up being happy, but it ended up costing me doing the job for free that day. But anyway, steel wool, if you run out of these for some reason and you can't get one or get one of these online right away, I have been able to buy some at Home Depot. You could probably buy some at Lowe's as well. But yeah, and these are actually also pretty affordable too. So remember, steel wool, easy to use. Remember to change it every day, and that's pretty much it for steel wool.